In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change thermostat on 2012 Jeep Liberty. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the thermostat on a Jeep Liberty, regardless of the year, can be a bit more involved than some other vehicles. However, it is still manageable as a DIY project. So I'm gonna give you a general rundown on what you will need and what to do. Keep in mind that for this video, I won't be able to give you extremely detailed instructions. So first, you will need a new thermostat. Make sure that it is the correct type and model for your Jeep Liberty's engine. So you can find them on places like eBay and look for the proper model. Ask a professional if you are unsure. You will need a socket set, ratchet, wrench, screwdrivers, pliers, drain pan, funnel, new coolant, distilled water, gloves, which is optional, and of course, safety glasses as well. First, drain the coolant. You should do this with a cool engine to avoid burns. Locate the radiator drain petcock and position your drain pan underneath. Open the petcock to drain the coolant and remove the radiator cap to help it drain faster. Afterwards, you need to locate the thermostat housing. Once you locate the position, you might need to remove some components to get better access and remove the housing. So it will come apart like this. And in there you will be able to replace it with the new one. Like I said, I apologize for not giving you angles and actual videos on where to find this piece, but for a video of this nature, I cannot give you extremely detailed instructions. I simply wanted to give you a rundown on where to find the thermostat and how to properly replace that part. You will have to take some stuff here apart, and after you do, you will be able to include a new one in its location. If you are unsure about any of this, contacting a repair pro should be done. I hope I was able to help you on how to change thermostat on 2012 Jeep Liberty. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.